In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Average Directional Index indicator on TradingView Pro. Quick and easy. The Average Directional Index, or ADX, is a popular tool traders use to measure the strength of a trend, whether the market is moving up or down. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside TradingView and how to get it on your chart in just a few clicks, so you can start using it in your own analysis right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open for the market or asset you want to analyze. It could be a stock, a cryptocurrency pair, a forex pair, or anything else supported on TradingView. Once your chart is open and you can see the candlesticks, we're ready to add the indicator. Look towards the top of your chart area for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators and sits near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main Indicators window, where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and your own favorites. Inside this window, you'll see different categories. To keep things simple and make sure we're using the official version, click on the Technical category. This section focuses on standard technical indicators that come preloaded with TradingView, so you don't have to worry about third-party scripts or custom code. Once you're in the Technical section, you'll see a long list of indicators. You can scroll through it, but the fastest way is usually to use the search bar at the top of the Indicators window. Click into that search bar and start typing Average Directional Index. As you type, TradingView will filter the list for you. When you see Average Directional Index appear in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, the ADX will be added to your chart, typically in a separate panel below the price candles. You should now see a line or multiple lines representing the strength of the trend. From here, you can adjust settings like length or styling by hovering over the indicator name on the chart and opening its settings menu if you want to customize it to your own strategy. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you'd like to follow along with the same features I'm showing here, use the link in my description to sign up and get started with the Pro version.